Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix tapping too fast error on TikTok. If you're receiving this kind of a message where it says you are tapping too fast, take a break on TikTok, then you are not alone. This means you are liking and commenting on videos too quickly without giving them a thorough viewing. This error notice may appear for a few moments, many hours, or even 24 hours. You may be barred for a longer amount of time on your younger accounts, whereas the block lasts less time on older ones. So in that case, you can fix the issue by following the steps. The most common way to fix your issue is to wait it out. The block can last for a few minutes, over an hour or more, depending on how many times you've received the error messages. If you just wait it out, eventually the block will be lifted and you'll be able to get through your TikTok videos back again. The next thing to do is to simply clear out your cache if it still doesn't work. All your cache data that has been saved on your TikTok app should be cleared out in order to get rid of this issue. Go ahead and tap Open Settings from your iPhone and scroll down and tap General. From the General tab, tap iPhone Storage, and now scroll down and tap the TikTok app. Tap on Offload App option and confirm by tapping it again at the bottom. Tap on Reinstall App again, and doing this will clear out your cache data or any other corrupted data that has been accumulated on your TikTok app. This can also help you save some space on your device. You can also clear out your cache data on your TikTok app once the TikTok application has been reinstalled. Simply tap it open. Once you're in your main homepage, tap on the profile button at the bottom right, and now tap on the three lines at the top right hand corner. Select Settings and Privacy from the bottom, and under Settings and Privacy, scroll down and tap on Clear Cache. Once you clear out your cache data, you might be able to fix your issue. If nothing else works out, simply delete your TikTok app from your mobile device and reinstall it back again, and you'll be able to fix the tapping too fast error on TikTok. I hope you learned how to do it. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.